Good morning, guys. Today is another day of English speaking, and I just wake up. I wake up at 9 a.m. and I don't know my alarm was. I don't know my alarm sometimes abuse me because I set the alarm at 8:15 a.m. in the morning, and I always snooze my alarm and again go to sleep, and I always do that. And there is a call at 9 a.m. from I don't know him, but he knows me because of some work, not professionally but casually. And he called me in the morning. I didn't pick up, but due to the ring and tune of my mobile, I woke up, and then I start explore something in my mobile. I didn't watch any video, and I am not any kind of social media platform to watch any video, and I was doing something meaningful, I guess. And so I decided to I am just going to, there is sunlight. Oh my. So I'm going to getting fresh, and this is my journey, and this is how I practice on the daily basis English speaking, so that I can be fluent at the day of my you know I'm not saying I will be fluent at the day of 100, which I have taken challenge, because there is a challenge of 100 days I have taken, so that I can be fluent, because I am so consistent. I don't want to skip any day. I don't want to break my consistency. Even I am making video at night or day at in morning. I am just this is the easy task for me, because I am making these kinds of video regularly. So it's my habit, not a some kinds of work I am putting my effort. No, this is I am doing without effortlessly, I can say, and I am doing with enjoy. Okay, so if you want to be the part of this journey, you can subscribe my channel, and I'll see you after getting ready to the court. I will go today, I guess. First of all, I will go to Saket Court, then I will go to Patel Nagar, and then I will come to the Saket Court again, and then I will go to gym, and then I will go to my home. This is my whole day plan. I already shared with you, but not in detail, but briefly. This is my brief of my day, what I will do today, and there is I guess four cases for today only, and I will work on four cases today. So bye. See you soon. Hello guys, I am at the India Gate now, and I will show you the India Gate. This is the main road. This is the roundabout of the India Gate, and now you can see the India Gate here. And I just park my vehicle at the side of this road, and now you can see the rush, and there is the public. You can see. If I show you, there is no rush here, but usually. But yes, I want to share with you one thing, and let's see the India Gate. I visit here. This is why I am not so excited today, because I usually visit once a week, I guess. This is why, because I have been visited since so long. So let me tell you something. I just want to make my frame as a bigger, and the real camera would be like a smaller one. Like I will switch the frame. So yes, the frame has been switched, and now I am making this video. You can see all people are I'm making video as a vlog, and they are making video or vlog, I don't know. And he is most of the people are click photos here so that they can keep them in gallery for their memories. And now I don't feel like to make video today, and I am not feeling to make video today. I don't know why, because it happens sometime with me. I don't want to make video, and I don't want to hold my mobile to say something and capture myself while I'll speak anything in my mobile while I capture. And you can see this is the bus just arrived here, and you can see the military and the military guys here, and they are giving the space for entry into the India Gate premises. No vehicle can go get in without their permission, because there has been bomb blast at Lal Killa. This is why this is such kind of security alert, and there are some rumors in the Saket Court and TCRE Court for bomb blast. This is why yesterday there was a team of that which what I use that search for the bomb and defuse immediately, and vacate the court premises for searching. And I am just there is a High Court, Delhi High Court near the India Gate, and I was leaving from the High Court to the Patel Nagar office. So I was just leaving after having lunch. In lunch I had butter naan today, and I love butter naan. I really love butter naan. And in butter naan, what I had on my plate, in my plate I have with naan, paneer masala, dal makhani, chole, and raita, spicy raita, and two naans are there. You can take another one, and if you have naan, you can take the paneer masala and dal makhani unlimited, and chole and raita unlimited, until you have you don't finish your naan, butter naan as well. So the taste is really yummy. When I go through this route, I usually have butter naan. I really love butter naan, and I am just going to the office, and my senior, I am also getting late, and I am also late. This is why I was not feeling to make video and to stop here. But I decided this is my I don't want to skip any day, and this is not the obligatory thing. This is my need, so I want to capture, and otherwise I don't want to capture. And there are some lots of guys who capture the area and people, and the I am also capturing, and also making video for my English, daily practice of English, because I have taken the challenge of 100 days. I don't want to speak fast, because sometimes my mind get freeze and my mind goes blank sometimes. This is why I just want to make a rhythm, like I am just speaking in English so that I can be fluent. I want to just explain the stories, I can say, explain the scenarios which I am watching and looking at. This is easy and simple, and there are lots of guys who are looking at me, and I am feeling so. I don't know why I feel so embarrassing when people looks at me. But now it's all about till now. It's if I talk about the time is 3 p.m. right now, and I really am late. I just had to I am to reach on time at the Patel Nagar office. My senior would be angry on me, I guess. So I am just about to leave. Bye. I can shoot video like this. If I do like this, my face get blur because of the vehicle lights. I am on the road. I am at the side of Patiala House Court right now, and I am at the side of this road. This is the main road of Patiala House Court, and I am just going through this road to my home. And it's I talk about the time. The time is 7:14 p.m. right now, and I am late today because of I am just coming from the Patel Nagar office, and I am so late, and my mobile is about to die. There is no battery, and I don't have any charger so that I can charge this. I will charge at my home because I will not charge because I know the way how to you know reach at our place. I know the place because I am far away from where I lives. This is why there is a person, I don't know who was waiting for me or not at the Saget Court, because Saget Court is nearby me. And this kinds of hunger we should have if you want to, and if you want to learn anything, because my mobile is about to die. Still I am getting late. Even still I am holding my mobile to capture this video so that I can complete the task of making video every day. This is a kind of blog type of video I am making, so that this I have two tasks. Even I am a blogger type. You can see I am a in my dress, and I am on my bike, not by four-wheeler. There is a winter season, and if you ride your bike in winter season at after the sunset, you will get cold air, and you will face cold air, and might be possible you will get sick, I guess. But let's see. I will put the helmet on my head for sure, because of if I face the cold air through my ears, I will get cold, I guess. I will get sick. This is why. And now let's go to the, and there is, you can see the road. Most of the people are going to their home from their office and their jobs, and there are so many people in hurry. And if I don't have anything to say with you, and this is why, and I don't have any topic. I just wanted to record myself to complete this task, and for recording this video like a blog type video. And you can see, if I talk about this am I visible? I am not even visible. I am my faces look like in my frame blurry, so blurry. And you can see the pace of these kinds of vehicles, and there are lots of vehicles, and many kinds of vehicle on the road is running, are running, not running, is running. And oh my god, my mobile is about to die. So bye. I will see you at my room, I guess. If I didn't complete my task, at my task is to practice daily English speaking, and I will capture all of my while I will speak in English. It takes 10 to 15 minutes daily. This is my challenge. I have taken the challenge for speaking, 10 to 10 to 15 minutes daily. And if the video clips are, you know, not, completing my task, I will record at my room. But if this is, if these kinds of video, I guess there are three clips I recorded in, there is, I recorded a video in, morning time and second was, I guess, at, India Gate, I guess, and now third time I am just capturing myself. And I guess these are the three clips. And let's see, I don't know the time duration, how much time duration I have, spoken in. And let's see how much time it may takes, because I am not saying that this is my 10 to 15 minutes is the time. I can't be, I can't speak more than this, or I can't be, I can't be live less than this. This, this is the time limit. I just say, I just said to you, this is the time limit. I can be higher or lower, it might be possible as per the, circumstances and time frame. And I am getting late, still I am making this video. If I, if I think, let's, skip today and let's, upload this video, a shorter video, so no one can, talk, no one will, come to me and say, you upload a shorter video and you have taken the challenge at, 10 to 15 minutes daily. What about the, what are you doing? And I motivates myself. No one come to me to motivate me. No one come to me to motivate me. I motivate myself. I have hunger for, speaking English with, I am the partner of myself. There is no partner to speak with. I am the partner of myself. So see you at my place. I guess I am getting late. Bye.